road trip. I have got a week off work and I'm going to spend a night or two in Wales. I think I'm packed. I will have forgotten something. That was the first of what I can only assume will be many pre-packed meals. I have officially arrived in Anglesey. No, I haven't. I have officially arrived in Aberdovey. It's cold. Not wet, but it's gloomy. First thing I'm going to do is go find a campsite, set up my tent, so I'd have to do it in the dark or the rain. Good idea. Ooh. I found the campsite. I'm going to go try and pitch up my tent. I wonder if there's any tents. Is anybody else an idiot like I am? Just finished up setting up my tent. It's all looking very neat. How comfortable does that look? Car parked closely to protect me from wind. Basically, if there's any wind, I'm gonna be screwed.